In this video, you'll learn how to earn passive income with Stan Store by selling various digital products. This guide will provide you with actionable steps to maximize your revenue through different methods such as courses, memberships, and affiliate marketing. To start, navigate to the Stan Store website and sign into your account. If prompted, enter your login credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard, which displays various options for managing your store. Next, to begin selling digital products, locate the button labeled Create Product on your dashboard. Click this button to access the product creation interface. Here, you can choose to sell different types of digital products, such as ebooks, templates, or guides. Select the product type that you want to create. Once you select a product type, fill in the required fields, including the product title, description, and price. It is essential to provide a detailed description to help potential buyers understand the value of your product. After entering the necessary information, click Save or Publish to make your product available for sale. After that, consider creating online courses by clicking the same Create Product button and selecting the course option. Upload your course videos and any supplementary materials. This allows you to sell the course multiple times without additional effort. Once your course is set up, confirm the details and publish it to your store. You can also sell memberships which allow you to charge a monthly fee for access to exclusive content. Click Create Product again and choose the membership option. Set your monthly fee and outline the benefits members will receive. After saving these details, your membership offering will be live for customers to join. Another way to generate passive income is by promoting affiliate products. To do this, find products that align with your brand and sign up for their affiliate programs. Once you have your affiliate links, you can share them on your store. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Automating your sales is crucial for passive income. Share your Stan Store link on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. This allows potential customers to discover your products easily. By promoting your store effectively, you can drive traffic, and once your products are set up, sales can occur automatically without your direct involvement. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.